juicy. Sarap ng paa ng manok. Jess and Sel are related? No. No. Jess and Sel haven't yet seen each other. They are all friends in my life. Coyote Ringo, since birth, I am a joker when inside the tummy of my mother. Char, sana all. Sana all. No, Coyote. I'm the younger sister of Eliza. Yes. Yes, Coyote. Shell is the sister brother of Eliza. Sister brother. Half sister, half brother of Eliza. Yes. Half brother, half sister. Shell and Eliza are siblings. Yes. Yes, Coyote. Shell and Eliza are brothers. Are brothers. Shell is Eliza's sister. Yes. Half sister, half brother. Yes. Yes, Coyote. They are siblings. And then Calibre is the brother-in-law of Shell. The doctor said when I was born, my nose is bleeding because the pipi of my mother is iyo. Yung buang Calibre vlog, sira ulo. Iw-iw ka dyan, yun naman gustong-gusto mo. O sige na, magpahula ako. Ano? Mo. Hi Yori, how are you? Thank you for coming yesterday, Yori. Calibre, maybe you feel on your head when you're a baby. Ano? Too many times, no? maybe Calibre, maybe Coyote. He always fall. I'm good. I'm great. Coyote Ringo. When I was inside the tummy of my mother, I played basketball. Maybe because you're tall. You know, Coyote, Calibre is tall. Muang ka talaga, Calibre. Muang talaga yan, Langga. Muang talaga yan. O sige na. 8 letters, English. Nagtatapos sa litrang E as in eagle. 8 letters 8 para mahirap-hirap naman. Go. 8 letters. Hala, anong oras na? Bakit wala pa yung bus? Calibre. Coyote Ringo. Gipitik-pitik na ko ang bahay bata sa akong mama. Buang. You know, Coyote, Calibre said, pitik, todo bonito. Kalabasa. Kalabasa. Positive. No, kalabasa. Ala, si Gisaili nakakuha. Monetize. Grabe naman si Gisaili. Isang bagsak lang. Monetize mga langga. Sabi ni Coyote, kalabasa daw. Donald Trump.